Good morning, Prep 3. Today we are going to take Move Ahead, Unit 14, Living Deserts, Part 2. We will start with our new words. The first one is called mirage. Something that you think you see in very hot weather, for example, water in a desert, but which doesn't really exist. The second word is called couscous, a type of North African food made from crushed wheat. Microlight plane, a very light small plane. Hovercraft, a type of boat that moves over land or water on a cushion of air. Superb, extremely good or excellent. Reed beds made of a tall plant like grass that grows in or near water. Jackal, a wild animal like a dog that lives in Africa and Asia. Wild beast, a large African animal with a long tail and horns that curve to the sides and which lives in areas covered in grass. Stork, a large white bird with a long beak, neck and legs. Apricot, a small round yellow or orange fruit with a large stone inside. Camel thorn tree, a suburb that grows to about 2 meters. It's found in dry areas. It has spines on its stem and flowers once a year. Tubular, made in or having the shape of a tube. Ecological, relating to ecology or the environment. Cactus, a type of plant that grows in hot, dry areas, especially deserts. A cactus has a thick central part, stem and sharp points, prickles, but no leaves. Nomad, a member of a tribe, a group of people that moves with its animals from place to place. Roam, to move about or travel, especially without a clear idea of what you are going to do. Springbok, an animal like a small deer that lives in southern Africa, is reddish brown with a wide back end and can jump very high. Now we are going to answer exercise on vocabularies. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Ecotourism brings benefits to the inhabitants of the world. Egypt is famous for its dry climate. Egypt mustn't open on the European financial sources. The main feature of the Egyptian people is hospitality. The sea marks the boundary between the two countries. The hill was too steep to cycle up. Number 7, there was a deserted house in our village. No one lives in it. Number 8, he deserted her because of her bad behavior. Number 9, they usually have a cheesecake for a dessert. Number 10, some people in the desert survive on snakes, frogs, and other desert animals. Number 11, nomadic people move with their animals from place to another. Farmers raise sheep and goats. Number 13, the soil of the Gobi Desert has been blown away by strong wind. Number 14, deserts are home for wild animals. Number 15, I am not very keen on pizza. Number 16, she fell asleep while watching the film. I work in a coal mine in Sinai. Scientists claim that Prehistoric man used to eat raw meat. Nomads are people who live in the desert. It is common to see water in the desert when it is not actually there. This natural phenomenon is known as the mirage. The islanders have built more dwellings for the increasing tourists. They took the shortest route to the hospital. Okay, now we are going to answer the general exercise on Unit 14. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Egypt is very rich in natural resources. The Sahara is the world's largest subtropical largest desert. Number 3. Deserts already cover 1/3 of Earth. Just 8 passengers survived from the plane crash. Children are already keen on watching cartoons. Number 6. Mongolian tribes live in the Gobi Desert. Number 7. Rub el Khali has the world's largest expanse of unbroken sand. Number 7, also I think ice cream is good for the dessert. Number 8, the mountain was too steep to climb. Number 9, a microlight is a very small light plane. My uncle has a herd of cattle. Rewrite the following sentences. Number 1, the shoes are old but comfortable. Although the shoes are old, they are comfortable. There was a strong wind and it was raining heavily. Not only was there a strong wind, but it was also raining heavily. Number 3, he went to the doctor and saw the cat didn't get infected. Unless he went to the doctor, the cat would have got infected. Number 4, the man saved the baby. He saved his mother too. The man saved both the baby and his mother. Number 5, we played well and won the match. Not only did we play well, but we also won the match. Now we have finished Unit 14. Thank you.